Hey everybody, in this video we have two masterlock number 3s fresh off the shelf from HL Flake, and we're going to pick and decode them with the masterlock Lishi here, kind of just put it to rest here about the whole can't pick number 3 things. So here's our bidding on the first key. So we got, okay, 3, okay, there's a 9 in it, so that's going to be a blind code, so I'll look that up and I'll put that on the screen here and post here, so you'll see it. We're going to pick and decode it anyway. And then here's the second one. And see on the bottom of these here, right here, it shows you that it is indeed a number 3, even if it's the commercial version of it. It does say it. Stamped right there. And on this one, there's our bidding on this key. Have a shallow to a deep one. And got a blind code on that one as well, so I will look those up here after the video and see if we can pick these guys and then decode them. So, see, it was thought that these things don't go all the way in because there's a little bottom shoulder here, but we know it's all the way in because not only is it bouncing on 4, it's bouncing on 1, and if it wasn't all the way in, you wouldn't be getting any bounce on number 1 because the tool would be sticking out the lock. So that's how we know that it does indeed go all the way in. And we'll see if we can pick it freehand here. So nothing on 1. Okay, 2 is binding. Click on 2. Okay, 3 is binding. Nice click on 3. 4 binding. Nice click on 4. Okay, I actually just bounced it there and got a little bit of rotation. Now 1 is binding. And as I've got the key, I know it's a really short pin, so go just massage it a little bit here and boom, we're open. Alright, now we'll see if we can go ahead and decode it. So in the first position here, we're going to have a 1. Second here, we got resting on a 5, so 1, 5. Three. 6. So 1, 5, 3, 6 on that one. And just kind of eyeballing the key. That is probably right, but you guys will know that before me here because it'll be on the screen already. But we're gonna try the second one out. Again, make sure we're all the way in. Got bounce on number 1, so we know we're all the way in. Tongue tied here. And so we'll go through. Okay, 1 springy, 2 binding. Click on 2. Click on 3. Click on 4. Okay. Okay, just increase the tension a little bit and got number 1 to bind here. So I did that because the other ones I felt like were set. Plus it kind of helps me to look at the key a little bit. Remember though too, if you have trouble picking it with the leash, you can always rake them open as you normally would, and then you can put the tool in after the fact and decode them. So decoding this one here is going to be a 4. And it's going to be a 2. 2. And looks like another 4. So 4, 2, 2, 4. So that's at least proving here that you can indeed pick masterlock number 3s with this tool. Yeah, these are new locks, so maybe this is easier than one that's been sitting in the weather for a while. But like I said, you always can rake them open or pick them with something else, and then you can stick the tool in just to measure and make a key if for some reason you needed to, like you had a whole bunch that were keyed the same, didn't want to cut them all or something like that. If if it ever came up. So questions or comments, please put them in the comments, and I'll be doing some more automotive Lishi tools here soon, so subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of that, and that's pretty much all I got for this video. We will talk to everybody later.